of the glare shield. The EFIS control panels are located on each side of the glare shield. Each panel has a PFD part and an ND part as shown here. We'll first describe the part of the panel that provides PFD controls. The barometric reference window can display hectopascals, HPA, or inches of mercury in Hg. The outer knob of the barometric reference selector is used to select the unit of operation. The units that are selected are not displayed on the PFD. Upon initialization of the FCU, the barometric reference window displays 1013 or 29.92, depending on the unit selected. The inner knob of the barometric reference selector can be rotated or pulled and pushed. When the knob is pulled, the standard barometric setting is active and standard is displayed on the PFD. When the knob is pulled, rotation of the knob has no effect. Therefore, you will normally pull this knob when climbing through the transition altitude. When the knob is pushed, the last QNH value appears and the barometric setting is controlled by the knob rotation. Therefore, you will normally push the knob and set the correct barometric setting when you descend through the transition level. The FD push button is used to remove or restore the FD bars on the associated PFD. When the bars are removed, the green push button light goes out, and when the bars are in view, the push button light is on. Note: if Track FPA reference mode is selected on the FCU, the flight path director symbol is controlled by the FD push button. Pushing the ILS button causes the green push button light to come on and displays the localizer and glide slope scales on the associated PFD. If there is a valid ILS signal, the deviation symbols will also appear. The ND part of the EFIS control panel has many controls. The mode select switch is used to select the desired ND mode on the associated ND. The switch has 5 positions, 3 of which, ILS, VOR, and NAV, cause a compass rose display. The arc position is often used, and it provides an expanded view of a portion of the compass ahead of the aircraft. The plan position provides a view of the route in a north-up orientation. The ND displays are described in more detail in the ND training module. The range select switch allows selection of display ranges from 10 nautical miles to 320 nautical miles. If the mode or range data fails, the default ND display is the ROSE nav mode and 80 nautical miles. A number 1 and number 2 VOR ADF selector is installed. These switches select ADF or VOR bearing pointers and DME distance for display on the associated ND. In addition, the corresponding NavAids data will be displayed in all ND modes except plan. There are a number of optional data display push buttons that can display optional data in plan, ARC, or ROSE nav modes. Only one button can be selected at a time. Select each one to receive a pop-up description. Then, let's answer some questions.